Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to add your senior rail card to the Apple Wallet, you might be confused because the option is not clearly available. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what's actually possible in 2026 and the correct way to use your rail card. So first of all, you can't directly add a senior rail card to the Apple Wallet as of right now. This particular feature is not supported by Railcard or Apple. So if you are searching for an add to Apple Wallet button, it simply won't be there. So in this particular situation, the only option that you have is of using the official Railcard application. So you need to download the Railcard app on your iPhone. When you launch it, you just have to tap on the plus icon and then you need to enter your download code that you received by email after purchase. Once added, your rail card will appear inside the app. Now your rail card stays available in the app even without internet for a very long time. You just have to open the app and show it when needed during travel. Apple Wallet only supports certain travel cards and passes, and rail cards are not integrated yet, so they must be used through their own application system instead. So if this video helped you understand whether you can add your senior rail card to the Apple Wallet in 2026, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.